Hi friends, so right now I'm just going to use the Execute SQL statement. By using that, I'm going to perform insert operation into the SQL server table. So by using which method is nothing but by using the file name method. So that means SQL server source type. I'm just going to use as a instead of variable. I'm just going as by using file connection. That means I have defined the query right in the file. So by using that file, I'm just going to perform this operations. For example, I'm just using file connection. I'm just checking the file where I stored my local drive. Okay, so this is the table. I already opened the table how it will looks like. So this is the operation I'm going to perform. I'm just going to create log table, and I am just going to create email table and email updated table. So this operation I'm going to perform. Okay, so if you see here, these tables already not present, I suppose. It's not. I'm going to use this database. If you see this table, so this table already present. So if not exists, then what we will do, we will create. If not exists, then only we create. Okay, here. Okay, so at least this table not present. Okay, I'm just going to create this table by using SQL statement. So let it be. So what will happen? So these tables, both tables already present. So there won't be any operations. But this table already not present, so newly it will be created after executing the SQL statement. Okay, now I'm just referring this file and just create table dot SQL extensions. So now click OK. Okay, save it. Now run it. So it's completed successfully. Now you just go and check. This table should have been created because this is not already present, right? So just select. Okay, it's created. If you see already this table, it's we have not done anything because of this table already not exists. Then only we are creating. Since this table is already present, there is nothing operation happened. Okay, okay, I hope this you understand well how you can perform the by using SQL source type as a file connection. Okay, thank you so much. Bye.